खुद से परेशान लगे मुझे जालिम ये जहां, कैसी अखलाक कैसी है ये बेचैनियां.
There's a reason I keep coming back to this guy, Murtaza Kasilbash. I feel like इसके म्यूज़िक के अंदर एक डेप्थ है, पोइट्री में एक डेप्थ है. वॉइस is so smooth that it shifts between paces and notes and seamlessly. And not only that, I feel like he also intentionally adds music that complements the lyrics of the song. The overall setup becomes so beautiful. And if you've followed my content for a little while, you'll probably know that I speak about Murtaza Kizilbash a lot. I've done multiple episodes on this channel itself. If you want to ever go and check them out, I will link them up over here. And the reason is, like I said, I've really noticed a particular pattern in his poetry. The way he uses some words, the way he kind of uses words which are, I want to say, not super exclusive, but still like a little bit above the everyday language. And that's what makes it very relatable still, as well as poetic. So, this combination, I feel, along with the kind of topics he picks up and the kind of life story he has had, Joe, he has spoken about a little bit in his Spotify radar. आज particularly जिस गाने की बात करना चाहूँगा वो है Saya Figan. I've heard this song a few times, and I'll tell you what, this is one of those songs जो immediately आपको नहीं ring करेगा, most likely. I've heard this song a lot of times at my home, but when I heard it in the car today, which happens a lot by the way, I feel like मेरे बहुत सारे गाने जो है वो गाड़ी में ही ड्राइव करते हुए डिस्कवर होते हैं, to an extent where it kind of creeps into my playlist because I will listen to it again and again and again. तो आज जब मैंने सुना ये गाना, so I was going somewhere in the morning, actually it wasn't even like night time or anything, but I heard this song like twice on the way to that place and then coming back with चार पांच बार मैंने ये एक मिनट ये पार्ट अच्छा है वो पार्ट अच्छा है करके I kind of went over that whole song multiple times. And it's the music, it's the overall feeling of the song, it's the lyrics जिसके ऊपर मैं भी आता हूँ, जो सब एक साथ एक song की feeling को create कर रहे हैं. And it starts very heavy itself, right? First of all, गाने का नाम ही Saya Figan. Like, you don't hear this song's name, you don't hear these words often, and you're like, wait, what's going on here? Then थोड़ा समझना पड़ता है तो पता चलता है भाई फिगन इज़ ए फारसी वर्ड जिसका मतलब होता है a crying kind of a zozo से रोने वाली बात, crying out loud sort of a thing. And then if you look at the context of the song, the meaning I feel of the song name is, a shadow that has been caused by tears. रो रो के जो आपने एक साया पैदा कर दिया है. स्टार्टिंग ही सॉन्ग की ऐसी है कि मतलब ले चल मुझे यहाँ से परे वहाँ पर कहीं जिधर मैं हूँ बेखता. लाइक इट्स इमीडिएट feeling of acceptance कि मैंने गलती की है. I've made a mistake and I realize that there's no way back, and like I don't like this version of me who makes these mistakes, and like if I wasn't making these mistakes perhaps we would be together. And then as the song goes further, इसमें कई moments ऐसे आते हैं where you stop and feel like, is he talking about a person or is he talking about a divine entity? Or is he talking about the bridge between his current state and a future state? Because the whole song has this feeling of like it's a very um, ambiguous, it's intentionally kept ambiguous because of that, I feel. And that's where I feel like the poetry is really upon the person who is going through something. Depending on where they are, what they're going through, what they're feeling at that point, they will feel those lyrics associate with that feeling, rather than any other feeling, because गाने के lyrics ही इस depth के साथ लिखे हैं. Get it can apply in multiple situations, multiple places. Saya Figan is one of those tracks जिसमें I feel like you have a beautiful overall poetry ओवरऑल लाइक पूरे कहानी चल रही है एक तरीके से स्टोरी के अंदर, गाने के अंदर, सॉरी. एंड ऑल्सो द म्यूजिक ब्यूटिफुली कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स इट. पहले पियानो चल रहा है पीछे स्लोली, फिर इट पिक्स अप, देन देयर इज गिटार, देन देयर इज ड्रम्स, देन दिस बेस, लाइक रियल मॉडर्न जो फीलिंग आती है. देयर इज अ बिट ऑफ रॉक फीलिंग ऑल्सो इन देयर. एंड आई फील लाइक मुर्तज़ा's वॉइस विच इज़ डीप एंड काफ़ी लाइक स्ट्रॉन्ग वॉइस है, उस लिहाज से डीप भी है, विच इज़ अ डिफरेंट टेक्सचर दैन वॉट वी हैव रिसेंटली सीन. और साथ में द काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक ही कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स इट विथ, इट क्रिएट्स दिस होल पैकेज कि आपको लगता है कि यार he's done something special over here. So yes, if you've been around long enough, you'll know that I have spoken in depth about other songs as well of his. Bhool, Hum, I've been featured multiple times. Tum के बारे में किसी और दिन हम बात करेंगे. I feel like that's also a song which is very beautiful in its own way. Or Maya is also, I can't remember how many times I've heard that song by now. I'll be honest. Like उस गाने के अंदर कुछ है that I keep going back to it. And I feel like this track also, Murtaza's, is getting there. On the other hand, if you're new here and if you're just finding out this video, I will advise you to check out my Instagram, where I more often share stories about music, poetry, and meaning, etc. I'm still trying to figure out the right way to express what I do, because what I do has evolved quite a bit. And this is also an evolution of the same format. Anyway, thank you very much for tuning in. This is Radio Ayaz, and I'll see you next time.